Welcome to this Android channel, and this is a warning video. Warning about a scam that's happening right now, that's been happening for a long time, but now it's increasing because there's something that a lot of gamers want to have, and they get fooled by it. So this video will have two parts in the warnings. We'll start with one of the most important ones that's going on right now, with a game called Fortnite. So Fortnite is coming to Android, and a lot of gamers want to have it. It's going to be a popular game, that's for sure. The problem with Fortnite is that the company behind it decided that they won't have it through the Google Play Store. You'll download it from the website from the company. That means you will be removing that protection that the Google Play Store gives you because they verify apps before it gets there. And so a lot of security experts are thinking, well, that's a dangerous game to play because you might have people downloading fake Fortnites from other websites. And that's the problem, and it's exactly what's happening right now. There are tons and tons of places where Fortnite apparently is available for download for Android before its official release in September. And of course, a lot of people are getting fooled. And you know what? When you install that, you install malware on your device. Do not do it. It's not worth it. Because, especially on smartphones and tablets, you can infect your friends. There's a lot that can happen. You never know what can happen here. So, don't go and download any Fortnite things. They're scams, okay? They are going to install malware on your device. And that is probably the number one problem right now. Also, while I'm talking about this, why not talk about all the apps that are available that you can download? There's a lot of apps that you get in the Google Play Store, and one of the things that a lot of people do is, but that app is $5. It's $5. I don't want to pay that. This website tells me if I download it from there, and of course circumvent the security of the Google Play Store, I can have it for free. Yeah, well, the risk and the chances of you getting infected with a malware is very high when you do that, and should be avoided for sure. Never download an app from unknown third-party places. Download them always from the Google Play Store. And you know what? When Fortnite is available, download it from the official website where it'll be available. So never download from outside the store. It actually comes with a high risk of malware infection on your device. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.